Welcome. If you want to adjust ringtone volume in your Nokia 8000 4G, at first you have to open the menu. Next, open the settings. Right now we have to go for the personalization and then click on the sound. Then go for the volume, scroll to the ringtones and alerts. As you can see, currently our ringtone is silent, so we can enable by moving on the right, so we can increase our volume of the ringtone or decrease by going for the left side. And if you set up your best volume level, you can simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.